Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another home tour. So this home is actually in Winter Haven. So this home, they have certain incentives. So if you guys get a home that is available right now, they're offering $20,000 towards your closing costs. If you want something built, then they're offering $15,000 towards your closing costs. And it's a 2-story home. So I definitely love this home. So I just want to show you all everything that they have. They have a lot of storage in here also. So let's go ahead and check out this storage right here. This is right up under the stairs, so you guys will have a lot of storage in here. I know some of the homes I send you, some people say it's not much storage, but this home right here has a lot of storage, and it's 2 stories. So hopefully you all like it. If you guys like it, definitely give me a call, 407-374-2747. I'll be happy to show you all this home. They even have a lanai here, which is really nice. They do have HOA here, but it's only $66. And also they have no CDD. So some other communities, a lot of other communities have a CDD. They do not have a CDD here, and they also have 2 pools. So that is really nice. So let's go ahead and check out the upstairs. It's really beautiful. I like the natural light that's coming in. Okay, so this is the upstairs. So we're seeing a 1-bedroom downstairs. We have another room up here, which is really nice. And here's the closet. And also, this is the owner's suite. Really nice. I love it. Okay, here's your beautiful closet, nice and spacious. Then here's your bathroom. Your shower. And then more space so you can store things. So this is really nice. I love it. Let's see what else they have. Let's see. So low energy costs here. Here is another bedroom. Here's the closet. Really beautiful. Here's another bedroom. And the closet. Again, if you guys get something that's already available right now, you're getting $20,000 to go towards your closing cost credit. So that's closing cost credit. So that's really nice. This would be your laundry room. And then this is another full bath. Oh, I love that light right there in the shower. It's really nice. Right there above the tub. So yeah, that's the whole house. So if you guys want to look at this home or you have any questions, please call me 407-374-2747. I'll be happy to show you all this home in person. And then I'll be able to show you other homes too if you're interested. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.